How to fix if you are unable to send friend requests on Facebook. So if you are sending friend requests to someone but it's saying that you cannot send friend requests right now, then that might be due to various reason. So in order to fix that, you have to watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Facebook, from where you will be able to explore the various feeds over here. So at the upper section you can see the search cards like the videos, friends, marketplace and many more. You just have to tap over the friends and all of the suggested friends, your friend requests and your friends will be displayed in this section. So if you are continuously sending friend requests to a lot of person at a time, then this problem may occur. So when you tap on the add friend option continuously for so many time or regularly, then Facebook will notice this as a suspicious activity or unusual behavior, due to which they will disable you to send friend requests. So this is the main reason. So in order to fix this, you need to wait for a while or something like some hours or even for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, you will be able to send friend requests again. But if you don't want to wait for 24 hours and you need to send right now, then you have to clear the bug of Facebook. For that, you just have to go back and you have to open up the apps. Here, press and hold over Facebook and you have to go for app info. And here at the top there, you can see there's a force stop option. You just have to tap over the force stop, and by doing that, you have to go back and open up to Facebook, and once again you will be able to fix your problem. But if it's not fixing, then you just have to go for the storage and cache and simply have to clear the cache. By doing that also, you'll be able to clear the bugs of Facebook and you'll be able to fix your problem. Sometimes this also fix your problem and you'll be able to send the friend request again. But if you are still unable to do so, then the thing is you have to uninstall your Facebook application. For that, you can press and hold over Facebook and go for uninstall option at the bottom. And after uninstalling, you have to reinstall it to the Google Play Store. You just can open up the Google Play Store and you have to tap over and search for Facebook. It will be displayed easily, and you just can install this application and open up and log into your account once again. And by simply logging in, you'll be able to send the friend request again. So this is the fix. Now the last fix is, if you are still unable to send the friend request after 24 hours also, or you want to make it happen fast, then you just can report a problem to Facebook. For that, you have to open up to Facebook and just tap over the three bar horizontal line at the right upper corner. You have to scroll down to the bottom and go for help and support. Here, just go for report a problem and you have to continue to report a problem. Facebook will create a report. You just have to wait for a while and you have to go for include in report, and you have to tap over the friend request option and you can tap over the text box and you can write the issue. You can describe that I'm not being able to send friend request to person on my friend list, so help me to do so. And you just can tap over the send option at the right upper corner, and by doing that, this report will be sent and Facebook will look for it and reach out to you and you'll be able to fix your problem. So this is how you can fix if you are unable to send friend requests on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.